All right, my people, now good morning. How are you? Of course, and I suppose you're right. Sake of talk, say time. So, given the very best of sport talk on top WAP TV, don't reach. My name is Eric. Let me be. When I know say today will be Saturday, Lagos Marathon don't stand attention, and everybody can create by. Yes, sir. They hope to get the result of today. Yes, we go see who carry them. Because this marathon matter for inside Lagos State, not be small something. All the athletes them they don't be ready since. So today, that be the day we'll go know how many minutes you take the beans to done for inside kitchen. All right, moving on right now. I know say no be small something. All the things where they happen for inside the Oyibo and even for Africa here. Now we go giving up for inside this morning. Man, don't forget say the Winter Olympic them they don't thunder. And our own team Nigeria they show themselves like say them be blackboard and television. But more could they see how the matter happen. We wish them success inside that one. And again news on top of that matter too later on inside the Mara. And we're giving out the update on how you take the shell for inside Nigerian Professional League. That is matches we go shell tomorrow as the matter take the happen. Professional football for inside Obodo away. That one means say the English Premier League too. You know go carry last on Top Sport Arena this morning. And so kai Ogbonge transfer reports. What would they hear? We go giving a full dose on top the show this morning. Once again, now WAP TV now they watch and the show now Sports Arena. If you don't on top social media, you know road. Follow me on top WhatsApp at WAP TV Sports Arena. And if you don't on top Facebook, Sports Arena, join body together. Now you go see. Just click like. I beg you, click like. Then make we continue to rub mind onto the matter as it's supposed to be. I'm not going to do this show alone at the inside studio with my guy Israel Bankole. Israel, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Eric.
How your side?
No bad, no bad.
The Lagos Marathon don't start.
I think a very nice one because for those of us who did Lagos, it's very hard for us to come studio this morning, but we'll just find one way to come do it.
You don't get choice. You don't get choice.
Yes, we need to come do our job. We need to come serve the people.
Yes,
we know how to do best because we do this for the people.
Yeah. Okay. We hope to see who go win the Lagos Marathon, and trust me, Wednesday I will do justice to them. Trust me, Wednesday night I will give them a full dose of the Lagos Marathon because this now like kind of preparation for athletes them we deal with own Nigeria to take know how they feel. You know, either for Olympic or other run tournament and stuff like that. And I go say kudos to the organizers. Yes. You think so this one will follow develop athletes for Nigeria?
Yes, because for this Lagos State Marathon, they go on for some time now. Before now, they first go the Okpekwe Mountain run down for Edo State.
For Auchi.
Before coming down to Lagos. I think this tournament now, the AFN, that's the World Athletic Federation, don't give a bronze medal. So it shows that we don't try. Other athletes only come from other countries. Though for the past few years now foreigners they come win this thing. But still, one way or the other, we know so we do one thing for apart from other tournaments. So there was this one now Lagos State Marathon. Marathon we say the Athletic Federation for the whole world don't recognize them, give them bronze medal. So the thing don't they move from now we'll get silver before we reach that good level. I used to say
we'll get the good level then we say both and brother they go to come.
So that you don't know say an elite competition now. For now we don't know say people they come from all walks of life, they come this tournament. And more over the years the sponsor they try they improve one or two things. I think the marathon start by 6:30 today, prior to the time they start 7 o'clock. So they won't try to rush, they won't try to squeeze out the time so that people go feed the move. Still this marathon now one way to encourage our athletes first for long distance race, which we know they do for Nigeria here. Our own 100 meters and everything. Now they run 30 kilometers, 10 kilometers for Okpekwe, 10 kilometers. Now again for Lagos. So at least we build our athletes for long distance race. You see Nigerians they come into the fray. They try. Many people only walk towards this thing. One day, I know Nigeria will do well for this Lagos State Marathon. At least win them before one day.
One day, we go win them. I beg me all these Kenyan people there because then there's Kenya, Ethiopia. Wait till are they trekkies?
Okpekpe na they do am.
Now they don't come again. So that they and if you see the people they come with them, lenge things them.
Let's do the job.
Yeah, as in like say they fly lenge things them. But anyway, it's a good one for us for Obodo Naija for here because no be small something. Every sport talk person they happy say, nobody World Cup, nobody football we go organize. At least athletes. And at the year say for inside Port Harcourt too, the wrestling competition, African wrestling competition don't start too. And a very fantastic one for inside the sporting world for 2018 because I don't go lie for you. I know I don't tire for football, but it's a beautiful thing to see say handball, you know, other sport too. They bring up their head, you know, to show say so it's not just about football alone. Because take it or leave it, when you talk sport, the first thing where they compare with now ball.
Yeah.
You understand? But More road plenty, not be just one road. Okay, before too much talk, we could enter small about what's in the happen for inside paper for this today. All right, Tottenham versus Arsenal today live 1:30 p.m. as the matter today go. Song now in the year now say Gunners clash his biggest game of my career. Man, don't forget that Chinko with for Tottenham Hotspur, you know. And if Song they talk, what's the one Hurricane they talk?
No, I think Son now one key player to that team.
I know.
Apart from Hurricane, those are the midfielders where they provide those balls for Hurricane to score. The guy they make some chances. So the guy don't come from Dutch League, come English Premiership. The guy don't live to expectation. But this game a very dicey game because one they play for Wembley, which it never to be like home for them because that Wembley now just like national team stadium with anybody figure they can win. And Tottenham for the past few games they don't do very well.
No, they score anybody.
Yes, they do very well. But when you need them to perform, they know they come to the party. That's why they fear for this Tottenham Hotspur team. Arsenal get chance to win them. Arsenal get good chance to win them.
I bet no verso. Please don't call that Aubameyang. Please don't bring that.
No, for them beating Everton. Everton are now strong side for the league. Beating Everton now don't boost their morale. Playing against Tottenham we managed to get draw against Liverpool, which a controversial draw against Liverpool. Playing for home, their home never be their fortress. This is they never to do well for that at home.
They never master.
Yes, I think Arsenal stand a chance. For me now 50-50 the game can go either side.
Okay, more could see whether Arsenal fans they go happy today or they go begin to tell Aubameyang say, it's a wrong buy because Nigerians are quick to say someone. I remember when they buy this Manchester United player. Wait till we need this black guy, Lukaku.
Lukaku, yeah.
Hey, it remains small. Somebody will call Lukaku Jesus. It remains small. But look at Lukaku today.
No, that's how it be. When
Aubameyang scored the first goal for here. Wherever you are, if you see me money, they're happy. Eric no Aubameyang score. Eric no Aubameyang. But today, let us see.
Let's see how
it go. Wenger calls school head. He say as Arsenal faces bitter rival, not be small something. We know say yes, Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur, not be small something. Both of them. If Arsenal venture top Tottenham for league, say Arsenal they like third, Tottenham they fourth, they don't win league. Arsenal ahead.
Now what they believe say
they don't win league for Arsenal ahead.
Tottenham no go finish ahead of them. And it happened last season. Tottenham finish ahead of them.
And now make me the thought say if they come back on top Tottenham this time around, they don't win league. Forget that thing. All right, still on the matter. Chelsea versus West Brom. Conte fears Morata could miss rest of the season as injury return date is unknown. They say injury return date. Say Morata, they never know the time when he go come back. And Conte, they fear onto the matter. You think say they go fit on without Morata?
I think for Chelsea now, they don't get one bad run for the past 3 games so they don't play, or the few games so they don't play.
All the BB teams.
Yes. But they don't lose 2 straight games. Lose to Bournemouth, lose to Watford last week. Now they get West Brom to play on Monday. After West Brom, they will play Barcelona. Get Barcelona away. After Barcelona, they play Manchester United. So they get BB games. So now.
But this back on, I think I'm not scared though because why? They've been craving. Chelsea fans particularly. They've been craving. Actually, no one before.
Now see their run-off game. Prior to this game, now games so you don't play. Now Chelsea don't struggle. They struggle against against Bournemouth.
Score 5.
Bournemouth beat them for home. Watford beat them away. Now they are playing West Brom, so they need to win West Brom champion game to boost their morale so that they can face Barcelona game. Because anything short of West Ham. Okay, so anything short of victory against West Brom, I think going to that Barcelona game, we could just walk over for Barcelona to beat them because now Conte leg the shake now for the team. Criticism don't come from everywhere. So Conte need to pick the right players now for this game, which I think say the best bet we get. Morata is out of this game. Play Giroud as your striker instead of playing Hazard as a first 9. I think you should bring Giroud, play a natural striker if you convert goal because he make that mistake against Bournemouth. The same mistake against Watford. I'm not saying go repeat that mistake against West Bromwich Albion because Chelsea fans all over the world don't tire now because waiting Conte they do now, they don't really understand. Morata is out. Play your natural striker.
If you say Chelsea fans are tired, then Arsenal fans are frustrated.
Arsenal fans, I think those ones they know their problem, so they don't adapt to the problem. But Chelsea don't be like that. Now Chelsea lose 2 straight games. They're still the top 4, but they complain. Because they used to them to lose. Because
when you are talking about Chelsea, you talk small. My HOP is a Chelsea fan because I know how he behaves.
No. So this game, Chelsea need to come out to win this game against West Bromwich Albion. If not, if they lose that game, I think their morale go dey very low to go against Barcelona. Because Barcelona game may be easy. Go dey easy for them to be back.
We see the peruse the paper small. Someone could run down a little. Raw to visit Eagles before World Cup camp open. Target friendly matches to help team selection. Now waiting with Coach Raw. The yarn be that. All right, before we come back for that break, we don't see our boss-led team for Olympic. That's the Winter Olympic as the marathon they go. Now the three ladies with that we go make us happy. And the lady wanna watch when we say when they give us the spring. Now cyclist onto the matter. Her name na Tammy, and she just come back from inside Peking Burning. This one means say she just she be 6 months old mama, and she won't come back for inside the Winter Olympic. Very very competitive stuff. And at the first time when Nigeria did attend the Winter Olympic today, so we will try show them all the support we will give them to make sure say our team Nigeria at least, if not be first, come second for the boss-led tournament as the matter today happen. So moving on, Raw to visit Eagles player for World Cup, one after each. Now another boosting morale with that because they say they go open, they go get target-friendly matches for the team. How you go be now?
Yeah, I think a very nice one because recently the guy don't advise some players when they get playing time, with them move. The likes of Ahmed Musa,
They don't move and they do well for CSK.
Hell of it don't move go where they go to play, where they play every day. Even Kelechi Iheanacho, where they Leicester City, where they froze out before. Now you don't play 1 or 2 games. Last game, you get 1 assist. Do the draw that game. I think a very nice one to feed those players because Raw don't say he never gets in players, but we all know say he gets some players. So we say if they call them, we can midnight. So we mention some players so he go play. He go mention 11. So at least those players, you don't say go to see them one by one to even visit them. Now sign of responsibility. But I say you really get them for a head. The game plan. So I think a very nice one for the coach. I think
yes, very nice one for the coach. You know, so we get goalkeeping problem as
yes. That problem still dated tomorrow. We'll still get that problem. Till now, we never still know anybody will go man that post for World Cup.
Nobody they monitor Uzoho to see whether
Uzoho he don't send some. The last time I hear, he sent some guys to Spain. They go watch the guy. The guy they play for La Liga B. That's not Team B. They play for yes. So now that Team B in the Uzoho. This guy Ezenwa for Nigeria League, Daniel Akpeyi for France. We still get one boy they play for Germany Division 2 also. So that's the 4 keepers where the guy they look to carry go World Cup. But I think this guy is supposed to be among them, Jiboye. At the end of that tournament, the guy said only 2 players in going fight for that for the World Cup preparation. Just 2 players. Steven Eze, which is the which is the defender. And Ezenwa. Those are the 2 players we invite for the whole chant team. We go join the preparation for the World Cup. Maybe they go World Cup, they go join the preparation. That's the friendly games. Yes, the training friendly games and everything to see and go pick the final player we could go to the World Cup. I think a very nice one for the coach.
All right, moving on now to what the paper they talk. They say PSG now they are now. PSG make Kante their #1 target to replace veteran midfielder Thiago Motta this summer. N'Golo Kante, the black man will get open tea. You never know. In football, they say Hazard hints at Real Madrid move. And for down, for inside the paper, they come put Ahmed Musa there. They say Musa never said never. Eagle Star, Boost CSK are still in race for Russia title. Yeah. As the matter until they go. Conte to spell out total commitment to Chelsea as club eye replacement for Conte. He don't say we don't hear that one. I don't say we don't expect say Conte supposed to even drop. You know, with the year say the way the matter to go now, old lady say one go join. Moku they see whether true that thing will come to pass. Mourinho defend professional Pogba. Onto the matter, Mourinho can defend anybody we like. So Mo come out for there, they go another place. Okay, Ronaldo fired up as Zidane tries to avoid PSG talk. Zidane won't go to coach PSG.
No, many things around PSG, Ronaldo and Zidane because one, Ronaldo now knows Ronaldo they do well. And Ronaldo the link, remember the link to many players, the likes of Neymar, Hazard.
So they exchange Neymar and Ronaldo.
I think something like that they come up, and you know it's done now. In job now they shake, and they get a game to play this weekend before they will face PSG. So they need to come back to winning ways. They fought for their league, and they do very well. The last game they draw 2-2. So playing PSG, if Madrid lose any game, if they come for Champions League, I think. It's high time for us. Zidane might lose his job if he lose against PSG because one, for the league is gone. Copa del Rey, they don't come up for Copa del Rey. So now let Champions League tournament until they play. I think anything short of victory against PSG, they'll save.
All right, Joseph. Good morning.
Good morning. No.
Welcome to WAP TV Sports Arena. I put your mouth for the matter, my brother.
Yeah, well, this our girls wey dey go for bobsleigh so
exactly those three hotty.
And we thank that the Rivers State government, make other state governments to I made them pick one spot. And Rivers State pick wrestling, make others pick one spot. Because if truly government won't create employment for the youth, sports na one avenue.
No be lie.
Make some pick basketball, make some pick tennis, make like Lagos State pick tennis. Make they just scatter this thing around, you understand? And also that goalkeeping matter. I dey get feeling saying that is the guy now go be number one choice for what.
Who's all who Abi?
Yes, try watch some of the guys. I go to the Deportivo their YouTube page and I got some highlights for the B team and he did Deportivo Fabri. I think the guy is a modern day goalkeeper.
You know, I know what start to the hype and made a notice say maybe one thing on the but I know say
time still dey.
Plenty times still there and they really do well. Since last year now I don't monitor them.
They do well, so he they try. He's having distribute ball with both legs and he gets
fantastic, eyes. You know.
But as I say, he don't still get the edge.
Bezos says he want a senior man now.
He's not saying a senior man. He's not saying done. But you never can tell. Like, anything can happen. Times TV, we no pray for injury. We no pray for drop of form. Anything can still happen. Somebody can still sneak in. All
right. Thank you very much for your contribution. I appreciate. Okay, moving on, make I give the fixture for Inside Nigerian Professional League before we carry Ukaya come up for Inside Studio. Okay, Nigerian Professional League. And for weekend fixture, Sunday night they go play that one. Rangers go play El Kanemi. As the match they happen, go round, go play Abia Warriors. At the same time, FC Ifeanyi go play Heartland FC. Then Kwara United go play Castina United. Niger Tornadoes go play Nasarawa United. Then Sunshine Star go play Kano Pillars as the matter they go. Then Yobe Star go play Rivers United as the matter they go. English Premier League for Sunday. Saturday, I beg your pardon. Okay? Oh, we not to get time. All right, if you dey bet Arsenal and Tottenham, they tell you say my bet they go on top Arsenal. Go, but Arsenal go win. All right, my name na Eric Nlemibe. I know the sport arena alone. I do one with Israel Bankole. My name na Eric. Una bye, Gary. Okay, Moku they see Everton versus Crystal Palace. Now another match where person supposed if you watch.
Yes. Both teams are
Everton.